Hello everyone, I'm Mariana. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to clean and gut a trout while still keeping the head on. I think it's easiest if you do it over a sink under running water. That way it's less messy. You will need a butter knife. That's what I use for taking off the scales. And then you need a very sharp knife. I just use my hunting knife for that purpose. So I went fishing this morning and I got this rainbow trout. It's not that big, but it's a nice size. It's a little bit over a pound and about 15 inches. So like I said, you're gonna grab your butter knife. I always turn the water on and hold your fish. It's a little slimy. You might need to get that off. But basically going backwards, you just start sort of putting the knife under the flakes and they will just flake away. So you want to do this, you want to make sure it comes off everywhere. Okay, so once you're done with taking off the scales, you're going to grab your fish and grab your knife, and you're going to basically make an incision from the front all the way to the end. What you want to do is make sure you only cut the skin and the flesh under. You do not want to pierce the intestines. So sometimes I actually cut it a little too thin, but that's still better than going too deep, because then everything is just out there. So you're gonna go all the way. I guess my knife is not that sharp. You're gonna go all the way to the end. Come on, here we go. I just don't want to pierce anything here. Here we go. And then you could check with your hands to see if the cut is deep, and it is not. I think my cameraman is gagging. That's my daughter. Okay, so it's gonna be something like this, and you're gonna come all the way up a little higher to where the gills are. Now, this is what was always so confusing for me. You don't cut through this part. You actually cut through this little V right here. I used to watch so many videos and always just cut through this, and that wasn't enough. You know what? I need to switch hands. You're gonna basically completely cut that. Just like this. Then I'm gonna grab the mouth and grab this. And the whole thing is going to, ooh, come right out. You see that? That's what you want. Yes, it's a little messy. Then you're gonna put this in the trash. And everything is out. One thing left to do is scrape this off. I was told before this is the bloodline. This is actually the fish's kidney. I don't know how that works, but that's what that is. And you need to basically scrape that off. So here we have it. Here's your final product of the fish. Something's in his mouth. And now If you want, you could now cut off the head or fillet it or anything, but I don't like to do that because I think you end up wasting a lot of meat. So I just like to bake it as it is. So this is how you clean trout, and I'm sure it looked like this was my first time cleaning fish, but only because I'm a girl and I don't think about things like sharpening my knife. But if you haven't already done so, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. This way you could stay updated for all the videos I have coming up. A lot of cooking, but also a lot of things related to the outdoors. And when you do that, go ahead and also check out my blog, mariana.cc. I have basically all the videos that I have here about cooking. I have all the recipes and step-by-step directions written there. Sort of like YouTube is the video and the blog is the written version. But I also have a lot of other articles there, again, related to outdoor adventures. And I also want to tell you about this video I already have up. It's about how to make Hungarian fisherman soup, and trout is perfect for that. So if you haven't done so, go ahead and check it out. It tells you how to make it, and I'm sure you will enjoy it. And that is it for today, and thank you for watching.